Snapchat to that. Okay, there we go. That's number 11 done. Now on to number 12. 5 is added to a certain number, and this new number is multiplied by 3. Here's your certain number, and now you're going to add on 5 onto it. This new number is multiplied by 3. The result is 21. What do we do next? 3x plus equals 21. 15 goes over to your side. 3x equals 21 minus 15, which is x equals 6 divided by 3, which is 2. Okay, you can check the number. 5 is added to a certain number. 5 is added to 2, we get 7 multiplied by 3. That's what's called verifying your answer. You can do that, you can check if it works at the start, back into the starting question, okay? Next one. 16. This year Catherine is X years old. Her brother Andrew is 2 years older. The sum of their ages is 38 years old. Okay. Andrew is therefore X plus 2. Write Andrew's age in terms of X. X plus 2. Form an equation in X. What does an equation mean?
X plus 2 equals 38.
Use the information to get an equation. When you add both of their ages together, it must be 38. So add x and x plus 2 together. X plus 2 must equal, and then 38. Then add the two x's together, we get 2x plus 2 equals, stop there. Solve the equation. How do I solve this equation? Bring over the 2 and we get, yeah, you're right, 36, you are right. X equals 36 divided by 2? 18. X equals 18. This means that Catherine is, and her brother is, and when you add their ages together, what do you get? 38. Perfect. Okay. How old is Andrew? Andrew is 20. Okay, moving on. This year Edward is X years of age, or X years old. Okay? And his sister Jane is 6 years older. What does that mean about Jane?
X plus 6.
X plus 6. Write Jane's age in terms of X. X plus 6. Write down in terms of X both ages from 2 years from now. 2 years from now, how old is Edward? X plus 2. And Jane?
X plus 8.
X plus 8. Perfect. In 2 years, Jane will be twice as old as Edward. Okay, Jane. Which one's Jane again? This is Jane, isn't it? This is Ed. So, if you're twice as old as somebody, if I'm 28, I'm twice as old as somebody who's 14, correct? If I multiply the younger age by 2, the equation balances. So what you need to do is you need to multiply the younger age by 2. Who's younger again?
Ed.
Ed. So multiply Ed's age by 2 and put it equal to the older person's age. Okay? Multiply out. What do we get?
2 plus 1.
Equals. And then you bring the 8 and the 4 over. What do we get? Equals. X equals 4. Okay, that's alright. X equals 4. Now, in 2 years' time, Jace used the information to form the equation. We formed the equation, and then we solved the equation to find out what X was. It means Edward is 4 years old, and his sister was. So, if we want to check the answer, at the start of the question, Edward was 4, his sister was 10. In 2 years' time, Edward would be
6.
and Jane would be, which is twice the age, correct? Cool. Okay.